Hi everyone, today I am going to tell you 10 facts you need to know before you travel to France. Most people speak French, and using phrases like bonjour or merci is respectful and polite. France uses the euro. Credit cards are accepted, but carry cash for small vendors. Many places close midday, 12 to 2 p.m., and may not open Sundays or Mondays. French people dress neatly. Casual clothing tends to be stylish. France has excellent trains, metros, and buses, including the TGV for long distance. Expect to enjoy meals without rushing. Restaurants may not open for dinner until 7 p.m. In tourist areas, pickpocketing is common. Keep your belongings secure. Public toilets can be costly, especially in tourist spots. Keep coins handy. France takes gastronomy seriously. Try regional wines and cheeses, and no cheese comes after the main course. Dress modestly in churches and religious sites. Avoid sleeveless tops or shorts.